Today we have the Monka G997W wireless mouse, lightweight. Let's unbox this. Would seem we need to go rogue with this one. Okay. So, right off the bat, quite tightly packaged. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Okay, I don't think I was supposed to do that, but let's see what we've got here. 4K USB receiver. So, it's a 4K USB receiver. We have some stickers, 3M envelope here. Okay, so we've got our little warranty card / technical specifications, some instructions, troubleshooting. Okay, so this seems to be the receiver, and we have the mouse. Oh, look at that, all the sticky tape. Get this thing nice and quick. So down here it would seem we've got DPI button. Not sure, normally used to having that on the top of a mouse. I mean, if you want to switch between DPIs, this could be quite a challenge, but we do have Bluetooth mode and then 2.4G and a little spare battery. So the battery. So this battery is USB-C, as you can see over there. So is this one over here. So we've got two batteries. So if you do run out of battery life, you can just pop in another one. Interesting. Very lightweight. But now, for the ultimate challenge. Let's get these peeled off. Gosh, for the life of me, I can't grab it. There we go. Oh, look at that peel. It's quite good. Is USB-C. Same with the batteries, they do charge through USB-C. Let's see what's in this little box over here. Okay, that's quite nice. We have a Type-C cable braided in white. Let's see this guy. Ooh, and quite a lengthy one at that. Let's see how long this guy is. About 2 meters. So you've got a 2-meter Type-C cable. Not bad. I must say, these Monka products, for the price point they're coming in at, quite good quality. Look, it's not going to be your most high level, competition level stuff, but this is some quality stuff. I mean, this is a very lightweight mouse. You're getting 2 batteries, and overall, it's not bad.